Let's go.
Sometimes some peoples are not with us, but their life lessons, their teachings are always with us. Same as in this video, today we are going to talk about a businessman. Not only a businessman, a kindful and grateful heart, the person who have the one and only Sir Ratan Tata. He is not only a businessman, he is the economy, he is the backbone of our Indian economy. So, without wasting our time, let's get started. First we are going to talk about in this video about his early life, about his profession and how he became the pillar of Indian economy. Today we are going to cover all these things in this video. So please बने रहिए last तक. In the early life of Sir Ratan Tata, some persons having the privileges that they enjoy in their life, like some people born with a gold spoon in their mouth. But here is not that scenario. Here is not the Ratan Tata born with the golden spoon. He had done very hard work to reach to their goal. And one of the best lesson what I got from his life, today I am going to share with you all in this video. I am going to share the first incident which explains the hurtful nature of our Ratan Tata. Is that one day he is traveling from his car, from his vehicle. He is going to his office from his home. What he saw, that a family with a splendor bike. There was 5 members in the family sitting on that bike, and the car of Ratan Tata also going with that bike. Then after some time, he saw that there is a devastating accident of that bike, and all the peoples of that family died. This incident opened the eyes of Ratan Tata. Not some people who is in the place of Ratan Tata, they can neglect this. At that time he is a big businessman, so he can also cite these things. But a thought came, suddenly a thought generated in the mind of our Ratan sir that we should do something. We should do something for middle class families, that if they cannot afford the valuable cars, so they can purchase the car, a family car which is only a 4-seater or 2-seater. It can be more safe in compared to 2-wheelers. So he had introduced the Nano. Story explains that how a golden heart our Ratan sir had, that he didn't neglected the problems of middle class. He done something for them, because he didn't got any privileges from his birth. He had done hard work, so he know that what is the value of hard works, mainly of the middle class families. There is a word which is the comeback. कहते नहीं है, एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा शेर है कि आज आपका समय है तो आप उड़ लीजिए, कल हमारा आएगा तो उड़ा देंगे. Same thing happens with our Ratan Tata sir, that how he had come back, how he had done the bounce back in his life. Same as at one time he gone to the Endeavor group and said for a help to combine the groups and make something good. But that company rejected the Ratan Tata by saying that your company is too small. But after some time, what done? Ratan Tata has purchased all these shares of Endeavor. This explains that you having gratitude, if you having the willingness of hard work, if you having something in your mind, if you having fire in your heart, so you can do anything. There are so many people in our India who is rich, but the main thing to rich from heart. This kindful nature our Ratan sir have, that he had donated his earnings to the families who didn't having food to eat. He had donated a very big part from his earning to those peoples who are unable to eat 2 meals of a day. This is the hurtful nature of Ratan Tata sir. These peoples never die. These peoples always in our heart, always in our thoughts, always in our mind, and always with us. Because the things that he done for our nation is the appreciable. So a very worst thing had been trends in our YouTube, that everywhere in social media platform, that why Ratan Tata sir didn't marry. This life lesson, that why Ratan Tata didn't get married, this gives a great lesson for us to be a loyal to that person whom you love. This explains the loyalty feature of our Ratan Tata sir, that he had loved a girl, and when that girl married to another, he taken promise that he didn't marry in his life. This shows that how loyal our Ratan sir is. From this story, we can understand that one person can have more than one qualities, same as our Ratan sir. Today, Ratan sir is not in this world, but always in our soul, always in our heart. So, what I want to explain from this video, that do some works like this, like Ratan sir. Make role models like Ratan sir. Understand something from the life story of Ratan sir. Be like Ratan sir. Always understand that the problems are not permanent. The things are harsh before it's easy. A great thought, that चीजें जब अच्छी होने वाली होती हैं तो पहले खराब होती. सीखिए. That's why I make the videos of these great warriors. Next video, I am going to talk about Shri Ajit Doval sir. Next video, it is a Hindi case study of Shri Ajit Doval sir. So please be ready for that video. It can be very interesting video for you all. Today I had explained the life story of Ratan sir in this video. This is enough for today. Let's meet you all in the next upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.